Hey everybody, it's Eunice again with Florida Training Academy. And so now that I know a little bit about your business and about your why, let's talk about how or whether or not you should even incorporate your business. And so I recommend that starting off, unless you are going to be really heavily marketing, you can start off as a DBA, which is doing business as. I want you to think about the end whenever you're starting your business. And so a DBA, doing business as, is kind of the least expensive way, so that you can actually not use your name whenever you're marketing your business. You would be doing business as, for example, I can be doing business as Fast CPR. That would allow me to go to irs.gov and I can get an EIN, which is your employer identification number, which is similar to a social security number, but for your business. And so it protects your identity. Yes, it's all attached, but if I'm going to go teach CPR at a particular incorporation or a company and they say, hey, we need we need to know who to pay, I would not give them my name and my social security number. Instead, I would give them my DBA, quick CPR, and then the EIN number that's attached to that particular entity. But that doesn't provide you with any protection. So if somebody wanted to sue you because maybe you didn't teach them something, let's say that there was an accident that happened on the job and they say, well, hey, your first aid instruction wasn't thorough enough and we did not know how to manage that emergency. That provides you with no legal protection. If you do a DBA, they can come to you and they can sue you. Okay, so how do I protect myself as a business owner? Well, I have an LLC, which is a limited liability corporation, and you can do so as a single person. So I have a single owner LLC, and so that means that any lawsuits would bypass me and it would be directed to my LLC. I also have errors and omission insurance for my LLC, and also for myself. So I have my general insurance, which covers the business, the equipment, the lights, the cameras, all that stuff. My phone also has insurance, and then on top of that I have my errors and omissions, so that I am protected. No one should be able to go after my house. However, they could sue the business, but I have enough protection, and so that unless I do something absolutely wrong, my insurance should cover whatever charges or lawsuits are brought against me. So that would be one option. You can do a DBA or sole proprietorship. That means that you have no protection. Everything goes directly through you. If there's a lawsuit, they're going to sue you. LLC provides limited protection, okay, but it does provide more protection than not. And you can also get an EIN, or that social security number, for your business for your LLC. If you are married or if you want to partner and go into a business with another person, there is also a LLP, a limited liability partnership. And whenever you are considering an LLP, I want you to consider who you're partnering with, what their finances are, what their liabilities are, what their marriage is like, because a business is a marital asset. And so you could go into business with your best friend, but if her and her husband separates, that means that a portion of your business is going to be going, especially if she has to pay spousal support or he has to pay spousal support. So that's just something I want you to consider. Not saying it's wrong, and I am not a tax expert. I need to go ahead and give that disclaimer. I needed to be speaking with an attorney and also an accountant to figure out which works best for you. I'm only speaking from my own personal experiences. And so the higher level would be either an S-Corp or a C-Corp, and those are corporations. And I think that if you're not making over $250,000 a year, I would not really recommend those because it's more paperwork, more responsibilities, there's quarterly statements. You definitely want to have an accountant on your team if you're going to be an S-Corp or a C-Corp because of the additional requirements. So what most nurse entrepreneurs do is we have an LLC. I hope that helped you understand. If you need more information about the different routes, you can go to sba.gov, and then of course you can drop your comments down below. But this is Eunice Mathis. I really want to thank you all for joining Entrepreneur's Corner, and any questions you have about which route is best for you for your particular business entity, of course, I'm just giving you my recommendation. You're going to get the best information from an attorney and or your accountant. All right, everybody, bye.